In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning poster using Canva and share it effortlessly on Facebook. Whether you're promoting an event, marketing a product, or just want to showcase some creative artwork, this guide will show you how to make the most of Canva's design tools and seamlessly integrate with Facebook. First, let's begin by going to Canva and logging into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set that up for free. Once logged in, head over to the design section and create a new project. Today we'll be designing a landscape-wide poster, perfect for either digital or print use. A good size to aim for is 594 by 420 millimeters, which provides a nice wide canvas to work with. Next, glance over to the left side of your screen where you'll see a menu. Click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can bring in your own images or assets that you want to incorporate into the design. Choose the photo that best matches your vision and upload it. With your image now in Canva, it's time to adjust its size. Make sure the photo fits well within the canvas boundaries, but it's crucial that you don't stretch it out of proportion. This preserves the quality and clarity of the image. A useful tip is to resize it from edge to edge, which will maintain its aspect ratio. Once resized, reposition the photo to the center of the canvas. This ensures your focal point is balanced and draws the viewer's attention, making your poster appealing and professional. After repositioning, look towards the floating toolbar and click on the Edit tool. There's a wealth of options here, but today we'll focus on navigating down to the Magic Studio. In the Magic Studio section, you'll find an option called Magic Expand. Select this feature, which allows more flexibility with image dimensions. You'll then be prompted to choose between cropping or expanding. Make sure to choose Expand. To apply these changes creatively across your entire project, select Whole Page, allowing the image adjustments to improve the entire layout. Once you've set the parameters, click on Expand at the bottom of the screen. Canva will then generate 4 sample images, giving you a variety of layouts to choose from. Feel free to select the one that best suits your design aesthetic. And there you have it. You have successfully designed a poster using Canva, ready to be shared across Facebook or any other platform. Keep experimenting with different designs and features in Canva to discover the full potential of your creativity. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!